behind the scenes for, let's say, 5 years now. How different is it today from like the first impression, right? 2021.
So there were two things that I was desperate to kind of find out as soon as I got into crypto. Number one was like, please tell me what the whales are thinking. Like once we know what the whales are thinking, and you have
Yep.
to be an insider in crypto, then my God, we can predict the cycle, and I'm just going to walk out of the cycle a millionaire. And of course, I asked Robbie on the first day of work, and he was like, Kartik, I have no idea. Like, there's a whole bunch of people that we know that are anonymous. A number of people have invested in our stock. A number of people we've invested alongside in tokens. But really, it's not like some kind of secret cartel that's managing things from the background and driving these markets up and down. And that's the point at which I realized it was such an incredibly nascent industry where just a
Yep.
group of individuals were acting completely independently as whales. And that had such a profound impact on the market to kind of drive that volatility you saw through the cycle. So fast forwarding now, in terms of what we see from the investment side, from the portfolio side, and from the market action side, volatility's come down. And
Yep.
it's obvious. Like once we've hit like multi-trillion dollars of valuation, it takes a lot more money to actually move the market. And I think that's a very natural progression. Number two, the whales that have historically benefited from and possibly driven the volatility are now actually coming out. You got
Yep.
$9 billion of capital from the Satoshi era of BTC placed by Galaxy with virtually no impact on the market. That's
Yep.
mind blowing. I mean, if you imagine last cycle, $9 billion dump on the market once you've doubled the old all-time high, probably would have ended the cycle.
Yep.
So we've really come a long way in terms of institutional appetite and a smoothing process that comes with that transition.